And this just picked up in the past 5 seconds. Us BCers brought a little Vancouver to Quebec City on Canada Day. Whew. Hi, horse.
Hey, hey, hey. Thanks, man.
Okay. Jazz musician over there has a sense of humor based on the song choice. Maybe we'll get back to the chorus again. Something about raindrops falling on my head. Me. One man. Many raindrops. Gotta learn today. Quebec City after the storm. Actually, it looks really nice. It's a good looking little town they got here. Oh, it's a hotel probably. Are they ever going to get newer transportation in this town? So, oh, there it is. All right. But who wants to take the bus? Horses will always be cool. Hey, Soph, turn around. Sophie's walking away with the beer.